It's Joy. How are you doing? I hope you're all safe and sound. I've been doing a few pop-up books and some experiments, and I thought I'd show you my Alice book. I made a little door, okay, with a rabbit in Wonderland, and the closure here is one of those Tim Holtz ones. I don't know if I can do it. Let's see if I can. I should do it easily, but not always. Okay, I'm going to stop the video and do it again. Open it. Back again. I was trying to open it the wrong side. So as you can see, there are some charms on teapot and some red beads. Here's a key and a rabbit. Okay, I'm just going to open it, and as you can see, we've got a pull tag waterfall. Okay, come on. Right. And the rabbit, it's in the storyline. Very difficult to do, but I managed. Okay, go through here. Lots of photo mats. Here is the long tail where she met the mouse's tail, and I put a little key mouse here. Obviously there's a door from Alice in Wonderland with a rabbit behind it, a card. Oops, this is falling out. This is the clock. Has a swing thing and glossy accents. This is for a booklet for photos. As you can see here, I put a little thing. Sorry, it's not very easy. A little thing here to show you that you can put a photo in there, and this lifts up, and there's some photo mats here. Okay, the other side, more photo mats. I actually put an original book page here, lots of photo mats. Okay, I quite like that, even though it wasn't to do with the collection of Stamperia. Here I did one of those photo places, and you can put photos in between the plastic here. Okay, also behind here there's another photo mat. Okay, not doing this very good, I know, I'm sorry. So here we've got now, they've gone after the, oh, in the middle of that, I don't know if you can see, it's the tea party, okay, with Alice and the Mad Hatter and everything. And then it goes on to go into the Queen with the rabbit here, and that's a pop down. Oh, sorry, no, beg your pardon, that's a pull up, okay, where the rabbit can be a photo here, and even behind there's place to put a photo as well. Okay, and this is the spectacular bit with have to untie the ribbon, and then up comes all the cards and Alice. Okay, took me a long time to do that actually. And then you turn over, and we've got the king here that comes in after the queen, and drinking tea and things. And this is another pop-up. This is one of those that you pull out, and you've got lots of photos. Okay, this only goes one way, but you could even put photos in there. Anyway, those are what I've been playing with, well, and much more, because I've been trying to do some Stamperia ones without having to without having to use more than one paper. Anyway, this is the other one that is going to be shown as another pop-up album. So I've glossy accent here. I haven't decorated too much the outside. I forgot to show you the back of this one on the side. There's a clock, and then the Mad Hatter's hat. Okay, so back to this one. Once upon a time, on the spine, there's the deer. There is a charm with some blue beads and a bow, and it says, "Live your dream." And on the back, I've put her riding her horse with some stars, and I'm dreaming of. Okay, hopefully we can see this quite well. This is another pop-up, just little pop-ups this time. Okay, so here, and this time I put papers inside so that you can do photos. Okay, here is just a huge picture. You can put your photo there if you want, or leave it as it is. Turning over, you have another beautiful page with the fairy. This side here, can you see? I've put a ribbon tie, and this has lots of room for your photos. This is one of those that you pull this way so that you have a lot of space for photos as well, and then it just all folds down, folds over, and closes with a ribbon. Sorry, my phone. I've put this Arctic snow throughout the book. There's lots of photo mats. This I fussy cut down here and done glossy accents and put a tag booklet in here for photos as well. And here's the tag. Okay, lots of work. I enjoy doing it though, but I want to do some classes, and I don't want the people to spend too much money, so that's why I was experimenting, which I will show you later on. Here's a photo mat. Okay, pops in there. Photo mats here, the girl on the horse looking back. Here's another photo mat. And I used one 12 by 12 and one 8 by 8 one photo mats. This is another one of those huge pop-ups, and I put a little tab here so that you know. So it goes this way, and this one goes that way too, so it goes both ways. And over again. Oh, I also used the die cuts, so photo mats and the little pop-up there. And finally, oh no, not finally, we've still got some more pages. A nice, I cut it in the snow so that the mats will fit in there. And then on the other side is a huge photo mat. The flowers. Here we have the young lady. It's caught here so it doesn't cause any problems. It folds out, folds down. You can put the photo behind here. So it folds up, folds in and tucks under. And the final page here is tucked under the heart. And you pull the heart down and you have, oh, didn't work, did it? I have to sort that out. You have the lady pop up. She should pop up. I think I put too much Arctic snow. She does pop up, look. And there's a little tag here and another little photo mat there. And finally, a photo mat here. Okay, so there's lots of places to put your photos. So as I say, I used a 12 by 12 and 8 by 8 and the die cuts. And I still got loads left to make a junk journal. Well, those are my 2 pop-ups. I hope you like them. One is Alice. I enjoyed making the door, but afterwards I saw that there were some beautiful doors that you could buy, wooden doors, but I didn't buy anything more. I made this up. Okay, bye for now. Take care. I hope you like my books, especially the Alice one, which is very popular. Okay, take care. Stay safe. Bye for now. It's Joy. How are you doing? I hope you're all safe and sound. I've been doing a few pop-up books and some experiments, and I thought I'd show you my Alice book. I made a little door, okay, with a rabbit in Wonderland, and the closure here is one of those Tim Holtz ones. I don't know if I can do it. Let's see if I can. I should do it easily, but not always. Okay, I'm going to stop the video and do it again. Open it.